Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are gonna be doing a product haul. It's not really an unboxing, it's just you guys have watched hauls before, so let's go ahead and get into it. I just want to preface this with saying not all of these are from Marshalls, but majority of them, with like the exception of 5 or 6 things, they're not from Marshalls. But I just want to let you guys know that Marshalls is the plug for natural hair products. So with that being said, let's get into the haul for real. This wasn't really my objective, but I noticed that there are a lot of brands that Marshalls had that I have never tried before. So I ended up gravitating towards those things, and I did see products that I have used before, but I wanted to go ahead and try these other brands that I've never tried before to give them a chance and see if they do work out for me, because that's something that I've noticed. I've tried certain products, let's say like Camille Rose Naturals, and like I've tried them recently. I'm like, oh, my hair really loves this stuff. So I'm trying to make this conscious effort to step out of my comfort zone and try more products that I wouldn't normally gravitate towards and see how my hair really takes to that, because I am trying to be on a hair growth journey. By graduation, I really want my hair super long, way past bra strap length. Right now it's like touching the very top of my bra strap. However, I do need a trim. I extended it to 6 months instead of going every 3 months, so we'll see where my hair is like in January. The first product that I got was this Jane Carter solution, and this is a wrap and roll smooth styling mousse. I haven't used mousse in a long time, since I had a relaxer, so I'm interested to see how this works out, because I really want to try some like jumbo roller sets on my hair, but whenever I do them, my hair just doesn't take to them. Like when I had relaxers and I was transitioning and my hair was kind of like two-tone texture, my hair took better to Eco Styler, but now my hair is a lot softer, so it doesn't really hold the Eco Styler, and then it just gets frizzy and it looks a hot mess. So maybe, I don't know, this will have a better hold on my hair, and this was only $6.99. And it says for twisting, wrapping, and roller setting for natural or relaxed hair with rosemary and nettle extract. The next thing that I got was this Twist and Lock moisturizing butter, and it's also from Jane Carter Solution. And it says it moisturizes and creates great shine, and it has mango and shea butter. Next up, I have this Miele Organics. This is the Babasu Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Mousse for dry and curly hair types. Excuse me. This is another mousse, and it doesn't really say like if it's specified for twist outs, for roller sets, so I'm gonna try it on a wash and go. I'll probably end up filming that and let you guys see what the results look like. Palmer's Manuka formula with vitamin E, Manuka Flower Honey Nourishing Conditioner, and it says it has honey, amla oil, cocoa butter, and shea butter. I've actually never, other than Palmer's like oils that they have, or like oils in the spray bottles, I've never tried any of their hair products. Not that I remember. I don't think I have. Other than oils, I don't think I have. So I'm really interested to see how their shampoo and conditioner work. And then I also got the strengthening shampoo from that line. Moving on, I got this Camille Rose Natural Almond Joy Twisting Butter, and it has sweet almond milk and honey. It's great for curls, coils, and transitioners. More from Jane Carter, I got this Curls to Go Wash and Wear for super curly and coily hair, and it's a curl drench. It's sulfate free, cleansing, and non-stripping with jojoba oil and restorative botanicals. So I'm gonna read a little bit more on this, because at first I thought that this was a product for wash and goes, but then it says it's not stripping, or it's for cleansing. So I'm like, do you wash your hair with this, or do you style your hair with this? Like, I'm kind of confused. It says use curl drench in place of shampoo and conditioner to reduce dryness, remove product buildup, cleanse, condition, and rehydrate your curls. That is a lot going on, but I'm interested to see. This would also be a really good like first impression video and show you guys the style, like what does it look like. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Like, see what it looks like freshly washed, and then like by 3rd day, see what it looks like. I think that would be really, really interesting to see how this turns out, because I mean, it substitutes basically everything that you need. And I like a good amount of frizz. I think that it makes my fro look really, really good. I don't like when my curls are like, I like when they're defined, but I like a good amount of definition and frizz. Like the ratio's gotta be on point. So we'll see how this works out. Next up, we have this Jane Carter solution, Curls to Go Wash and Wear for super curly hair, and this is the Untangle Me Weightless Leave-In. So it has mango butter, slippery elm, and marshmallow root in this, and this is from the same line. So they're kind of color coded. You guys could see earlier those other two products that I used were yellow, and these ones are pink. So I'm trying to get in the habit of using products from the same line, use them all at the same time, so I can give like an honest review and really see like, okay, my hair really like this, rather than like use a little bit of Palmer's, use a little bit of Miele Organics, use a little bit of I don't use Shea Moisture anymore. Use a little bit of Jane Carter. Like, you know, I just want to use everything at once so that I can get a very well-informed consensus on if my hair likes it. I think the final thing from Jane Carter Solution, also in the Curls to Go line, is the Shine On Curl Elixir, and it controls frizz, nourishes, and smooths curls. So this is probably definitely going to be like an everyday type of thing, but it does have argan oil, aloe vera, and macadamia oil, and aloe vera is very, very good for your hair. Moving back to Palmer's, I also got the Manuka Flower Honey Leave-In Conditioning Cream, so I'll make sure that I'm using all of those together, and this does have all of the same things: almond oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, and Manuka Flower Honey. And the intention of this is to restore moisture and shine naturally. Next up, we have a Palmer's coconut oil formula. Okay, so I have this and I'm nervous, but I'm interested to see how this works out, because I think, I don't know, I don't want to say I have an allergic reaction to coconut oil, but whenever I do put coconut oil on my scalp does get very like inflamed. And I'm saying this, I'm like, you guys are probably like, you're a nursing student, like you should know this. But my scalp gets very red, and then sometimes it scabs over and it's just very itchy. So I'm like, I'm pretty sure I'm allergic to it, but I'm gonna still use it anyway. Oh my goodness, I don't know, maybe it's just me. Like, you know how like you would get scabs on your scalp when you would get a relaxer, if you got a relaxer. Some of you guys are lucky you didn't have to ever get a relaxer, but like, you know what I'm talking about? Like those scabs, I just find them after like using coconut oil on my scalp, so I don't use it anymore. But maybe, I don't know, maybe it was just a coincidence. Anyway, I digress. Palmer's coconut oil formula with vitamin E, raw coconut oil harvested from the coconut palm. And this is a curl styler cream pudding for dry, damaged, and color treated hair. So my hair hasn't been color treated in about 4 or 5 years. So I'm pretty sure I've grown out all of the colored portions of my hair, but I do find that my hair is very dry. It loves oils, loves moisture, like water every day, oils every day. So we'll see how this works out, and hopefully no scabs on my scalp. Next up, we have Camille Rose Naturals, and this is their Lavender Deep Quench Conditioner. It is a stimulating hair and scalp deep treatment. So I'm really excited about this, if not most excited about this, because everything else, these are products that I've never used these products before, but I shampoo every week, I condition every week. But with nursing school, it gets really hard to do things like deep conditioning. So I'm really excited to actually give my hair the TLC that it deserves. It's been missing out on. Shamefully, I can count on both hands how many times I've deep conditioned my hair this semester. It's a 16-week semester, so you do the math. I haven't been doing it enough, so I'm really excited about this, and it's opening up my nasal passages, which I'm really excited about. It smells good. I smell the lavender, but it has like some kind of menthol in there. It smells really, really good. Next, we have from Tropic Isle this Strong Roots Red Pimento Hair Growth Oil. Like I said, my hair loves oils, and this semester has been kind of rough. I've been going back and forth between wigs, wash and goes, wigs, wash and goes, back and forth between the two. So no matter which one I'm doing, if my hair is braided up, then I just run this in between my cornrows, whatever it is, or I have my wash and go, and I just, you know, put it on my scalp and do a nice good scalp massage with either or. So it's just a good way to make sure that my hair is still moisturized and it's not breaking off, because school definitely comes first and I don't have time to be doing super cute styles. So just at least making sure that my hair is, you know, moisturized. And then finally, I guess we're gonna do a 2-for-1 here. We have from Tropic Isle the Strong Roots Red Pimento Conditioner and the shampoo. And on both of them, it says that it has a fusion of pure Jamaican black castor oil and red pimento oil. And for the conditioner, it says it moisturizes and detoxifies scalp, improves manageability, and promotes hair growth. Healthy hair growth, I should say. So I definitely need that in my life because I'm trying to, you know, be slanging bundles, no more wigs, like no wigs 2019. We'll see how that works out. But no wigs 2020. But for the shampoo, it says softens and detangles hair, improves manageability, and promotes healthy hair growth. So the same thing again. So I think I did a pretty good job of getting things within the same families. I have 2 Camille Rose products, 4 Palmer's products, only 1 Miele Organics, and I got 5 different things from Jane Carter Solution. So I'm really excited to try these out. If there are any like natural hair videos that you guys want to see, or you guys want to see any first impressions of these, maybe you guys have never tried these products and you want to know a little bit more about them so you can invest in the brand, let me know. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. That is all that I have for you guys, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.